Hi all, in this video I am going to discuss about human resource management, its meaning, definition and its functions. We all know human resource management means management of all decisions within the organization that are related to people. Next is what is HRM? We can divide HRM into two parts, that is human resource and management. Management means getting things done through the effort of other people. It includes planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling. Then human resource or HR simply means people at work or employees or manpower. So, human resource are considered as the most important resource in an organization because all the organizations can function only with the help of its people. So, an organization utilizes human resources along with technical, financial, and other resources. Therefore, there is a need to manage human resource properly. So, human resource means bringing together the HR and management for the achievement of organizational objectives. Definition of HRM. According to Edwin B. Flippo, HRM as planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and reproduction of human resource to the end that individual, organizational and societal objectives are established. Next is the functions of HRM. The HR manager is required to perform various types of functions. These functions can be classified into two types, managerial function and operative functions. The first function of HRM is managerial function. The HR manager is to discharge his managerial function in order to achieve the objectives of his department or organization. It includes PODCC, that is P for planning, O for organizing, D for directing, C for coordinating and C for controlling. So the first managerial function is planning. Simply planning means deciding in advance what is to be done. In HRM, planning means determination of human resource needs in advance. It includes determination of training needs of personnel or selecting appropriate motivation techniques or determination of source of procurement of human resource, etc. So, planning in HRM means determination of manpower requirements in advance. After planning, next function is organizing. It is the process of allocating tasks among its members for achieving the organizational objective. So, organizing is a task allocating function. The task is allocated to the employees on the basis of their ability, capacity, etc. After organizing, the next function is directing. It is the function that are connected with instructing, guiding and inspiring people in the organization in order to achieve the objectives. It includes supervision, leadership, communication and motivation. So directing is a instructing or guiding function. After directing, next function is coordination. Coordination is considered as the essence of management. And this function, coordination function, is done in all the levels of the organization, even if in top level, middle level or the lower level. The entire activities of the organization are properly coordinated in order to achieve the objectives of the organization. After coordination, next function is controlling. It is the process to verify whether everything in the organization is done according to the plan. It is done on the basis of predetermined standards. Controlling includes or it involves observation, evaluation of the workers' performance with that predetermined standards. If any variations are found, corrective actions are taken immediately. So the managerial functions include planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling. After managerial function, the second function is operative functions. The operative or service function of HRM is done by the personnel department. The operative functions include procurement, development, compensation, integration and maintenance of employees. First operative function is procurement. It is related with hiring of employees. So, right person should be appointed at right place at right time. So, it is the function related with the procurement of sufficient number of employees for performing the business task. After procurement, next function is training and development. Training and development is given to the employees to increase their skills and proficiency in work. The training is given to the employees at lower level and middle level, whereas the development is given to the management or administrative level peoples. Lectures, discussions and demonstration are the some of the methods used for giving training to employees. After training and development, next is compensation. The HR department must determine the remuneration or compensation of workers in the organization. The employees must get adequate and equitable remuneration for their work done. It may be in the form of monetary or non-monetary. After compensation, next is integration. The HR manager should reconcile the interest of workers with that of the organization. A sense of belonging needs to be created among employees that they are properly motivated. They should think that whatever may be done for the organization is done for them also. This will helps to bring a harmony of interest among employer and employee in the organization. So the integration function creates a mutual understanding or good relationship among employer and employee. The next operative function is maintenance. The superior environmental condition must exist in the organization. The employees feel that will happy to work only under such condition. The personnel manager has to look after the health of the employees, whether they should be provided with proper sanitation, safety measures, etc. A pleasant work environment will increase the motivation and morale of the employees and also The employees will happy to work under such situation. After maintenance, next is welfare activities. The personnel management should provide various welfare service to the employees. It include provision of medical facilities, provide restaurants, other recreation facilities, then provision of restroom, counseling, group insurance, etc. These welfare activities also motivate the employees. Then personal records. The personnel department should keep sufficient records relating to employees' training, development, achievement, transfer, promotion, and also the records relating to personal behavior like labor turnover, absenteeism, etc. So, it is the duty of the HR department or personnel department should maintain the proper records of employees. The next is promotion, transfer and termination. The personnel department should also assist the management to design suitable promotion transfer policies in the organization. Next operative function is negotiation with trade union. The personnel management has to conduct negotiation with labor unions and with other employee representatives on matter of common interest. So the operative functions include procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, welfare activities, personal records, promotion, transfer and negotiation with trade unions. So the human resource management function is classified into two: managerial function and operative functions. Thank you.